Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and let me introduce you to your next favorite kitchen tool. This rotary cheese grater from Kitexpert is absolutely amazing and makes shredding cheese and so many other items so much easier. In less than 30 seconds, I can shred an entire block of cheese. It is so amazing to me. This comes with 3 different blade attachments: slicing, coarse grade, and fine grade. So no matter what I'm slicing up in the kitchen, I can use this tool. It's so easy to use. As I assemble it and I attach it securely to the counter, I know it's not going anywhere. Then I just grab my block of cheese, stick it in the chute up top, and start rotating the handle. It has a really nice smooth handle, and I was truly blown away at just how fast this shredded my cheese the first time I used it. Now, what I really like about this cheese grater is everything snaps into place and unsnaps. So it makes it easy to clean, easy to assemble, and easy to disassemble too. I don't know about you, but I have caught my hand a couple times on a traditional box cheese grater. And with this, all the protections are in place so I don't have to worry about cutting my hand. This is not just limited to using for cheese. I personally love to get the block cheese, and so that's primarily what I use it for, but it's also great for other items like cucumbers and carrots and potatoes. This cheese grater is truly a game changer in my kitchen when it comes to shredding or slicing items. It is so much more efficient and so much safer for me to use in the kitchen too. So do yourself a favor and make shredding in your kitchen a little bit easier too with this awesome rotary grater from Kitexpert. But that's just my point of view.